Hi, and welcome back to Logitech. I know I always say I'm excited, but today I'm very excited. We'll be unboxing a new product from Logitech G that I have been very impatiently waiting for. This is the Logitech G515 LIGHTSPEED TKL, a new low-profile wireless gaming keyboard that features GL mechanical switches, double-shot PBT caps, sound dampening, LIGHTSYNC RGB, and so much more. So let's get into it. The first thing we see when we open the box is this quick start guide, printed on the lid. It shows how to connect your keyboard in various ways. Under that, we have the keyboard wrapped in some protective cloth. We'll remove that, and here we have the keyboard itself. But before we dive into that, let's set it aside and check out the rest of the box. Under the keyboard, there's a bit of documentation, which we'll set aside, and then there's this accessories box. Inside of that, we find the USB-C to A charge cable and an extender. For info on how to use these, be sure to check out our video on connecting your LIGHTSPEED keyboard. Okay, at this point, we still haven't seen the LIGHTSPEED dongle, and that's because it's tucked away in this handy storage slot for when you're on the go. Which brings us to the keyboard. Look at this thing. The low-profile GL switches are lubed from the factory and are topped with double-shot PBT caps. They feel so smooth, and their actuation point is 1.3 millimeters, so the reaction time here is fast. They come in tactile and linear. This one is tactile, but I like both. And lastly, it's designed with sound deadening, so the typing experience is immaculate. It's incredibly thin at 22 millimeters, but it still houses a lot of features. On the back here, we have the USB-C charge port, which can be used for wired operation, and the power switch. And on the top edge, we have the LIGHTSPEED button, the Bluetooth button, and the game mode button. The game mode button allows you to disable a few keys while gaming to prevent unwanted key presses in the heat of battle. The Bluetooth button allows you to connect to other devices like smartphones or tablets or your laptop. To see how to connect via Bluetooth, be sure to check out our video on connecting your LIGHTSPEED keyboard via Bluetooth. This keyboard also features key control, which allows you to remap and rebind keys to your liking with up to 15 functions per key. You can enter key control by hitting Function plus A, and the layout can be configured in G-Hub. This also features the ability to pair compatible mice along with the keyboard, cleaning up your setup by using a single LIGHTSPEED dongle. The last thing I want to talk about is our classic LIGHTSYNC RGB, which allows you to display any of the 16.8 million available colors on any of the keys. There are tons of preset animations and themes, or you can build your own. Be sure to check out our Introduction to G-Hub video to get started. I hope that answers any questions you may have had about what this keyboard is, what it's capable of, and what comes in the box. If you have any further questions or concerns, please reach out to us at our support site, linked in the description. Now, I'm gonna go plug in this keyboard and get back to gaming. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.